because it's the best place to visit into the city too. We are going to be over there. We don't have rain, we don't have snow in Arequipa. Just in the evening it's a little bit cold, yeah, 2,300 meters. Because Arequipa is a big region. For example, the people which went in Cauca Valley, okay, so over there is still part of Arequipa, but it's higher. No, we have the highlands over there. So now we are crossing the beach, which is over the Chili River, the most important river that we have in Arequipa, and we are going to take the way to the right side. In approximately 2 or 3 minutes more, we are going to arrive to the first place to visit, which is the viewpoint. Our driver is going to leave us over there, and if you want to leave something here, you can do it. I mean, for example, you have your jackets, no? The bags, you can do it. You can leave here because we're going to be at the viewpoint for approximately 15 minutes, more or less, 1-5. We are going to work in the next way. When we are going to stop, you are going to descend off the van and just follow me, okay? I am going to provide you the info and this one is one of the more. To the right side there is a nice view of the volcano. It means that in a few minutes more we are going to arrive.
Please don't forget to press like, subscribe, and bell buttons.